Hi superstars, this clip's looking at the calculating bearing and direction on a topographic map. We've got our compass here in the centre, so we've got due north, which is at zero degrees. So never eat soggy Weet-Bix, okay? So east is here at a bearing of 90 degrees, south is here at a bearing of 180 degrees, and west is here at 270 degrees. Halfway between these points, so between north and east, halfway at 45 degrees is northeast. Halfway at 135 degrees here is southeast. At 225 degrees here is southwest, and at 315 degrees here is northwest. And again we go to another extreme for our direction. North-northeast, halfway between 0 and 45 is 22.5 degrees, 67.5 degrees, 112.5 degrees between east and southeast, 157.5 degrees between southeast and south. Gotta use my brain. 202.5 degrees between south and southwest. 257.5 degrees between southwest and west, and 292.5 degrees between west and northwest. And lastly, we've got 337.5 degrees between northwest and north, and then north finishes at 360 degrees because there's 360 degrees in a circle. So we use the compass to calculate direction and bearing as Miss Taylor comes over the PA. Thanks for that. So we're looking at direction and bearing for Seal Island and Coal Rock. So we're standing on Seal Island and we're looking towards Coal Rock. So if we are not able to do it on the screen, but if we were able to grab our compass, we would take this centre point and put it over Seal Island, and we would read off on the compass, and it would cut through about there if we put the compass on top. So that means for direction of Seal Island to Coal Rock, that means the direction would be north-northeast and the bearing would be around 25 degrees. Okay, so direction north-northeast and a bearing of 25 degrees would be Seal Island to Coal Rock. Another question, what's the alignment or the direction that the airstrip is heading? If you took off at the southern end of the airstrip and you flew and took off at the end of the northern end of the airstrip, what direction would you be heading? Again, if we take the compass centre and we put it at the southern end of the airstrip and we read off, we would cut through about there on the compass. So the direction would be north-northwest and the bearing would be around 340 degrees using that airstrip on the Augusta topographic map. Always make sure you've got a 360 degree protractor with you in a test or exam, and always make sure it's up the right way with east facing east and west facing west. It's amazing how many times people get it back to front or round the wrong way. And the centre of the compass is where you position it over the feature you are taking the direction or bearing from. That's how you do direction and bearing.